How to get Facebook Marketplace. Let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the homepage. Once you're in the homepage, at the bottom or at the top, you're gonna find different icons. You'll also find the icon for Marketplace. In the case you cannot find this option over here, what you have to do is close this, launch your Play Store or App Store, then search for the app Facebook. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the option of open or update. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether you can access Facebook Marketplace or not. Likewise, what you have to do is launch your Facebook app again, then head towards the menu page. Once you're in the menu page, at the top right corner, you're gonna find this settings icon, click on it. Once we're in the settings and privacy page, click on the search icon given at the top right corner. Now at the very top, you're gonna see the search box. Over there, type in tab bar and then search for it. After option appears, click on it. Now click on the option of customize the bar. Here you're gonna find different options. Head towards the option of marketplace and at the right corner of it, you're gonna see the drop down. Click on it and set it to pin. With that, you will be able to find marketplace at the bottom or at the top of your screen. Still you are not getting the marketplace option, then what you have to do is head back, head towards the menu page, scroll down, navigate to the option of help and support, click on the option of report a problem, click on continue to report, click on include. Now from here, select the feature marketplace, and here you have to explain that Facebook Marketplace is not available in your Facebook account, but you want to get access to it and send it. With that, Facebook customer service team will get back to you. So this is how you can easily get Facebook Marketplace. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.